Karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make brown butter. It's very simple and it's very delicious when you use it in different kind of baked goods. So in the pan over here, I have used about 1 cup. You can use any amount of butter that you want. And we're just going to melt it down by keeping it on a low heat. And you want to constantly stir it just to make sure that the milk solids do not get stuck at the bottom of the pan. All right, so as you can see, so you're just going to keep it low just to melt the butter, and once the butter has melted, then you're going to keep it high to bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, then you're going to keep it low because you don't want to burn the butter, you just want to make it brown. All right, so as you can see, now it's boiling, and then I'm just going to reduce the heat and let it simmer until I get the desired color. Now I like to use brown butter for buttercreams, cookies, pastries, any kind of baked goods, just to get the beautiful extra flavor, like a nutty flavor in your baked goods. And that's about it. So it's very simple. And then as you can see, this is the color that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to turn off the heat and then let it cool. Put it in a container and then keep it back in the fridge to solidify, and then you would use it like how you use anything else that you need butter with. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all again in my next videos. And by the way, I have used this in the passion fruit bars. If you're interested, please go check out the video. Thank you.